The first step is focus on desire or pain point within your headline. Take a second and think about it. What's your prospect number one pain point that you can solve? What keeps them at night? And what gives them a serious headache? People, they like to be understood. It's our nature. But also, we like to complain about our problems. It's our nature too. Therefore, by including the number one problem and pain point your customers have, you letting them know that you understand the situation and that you've got this and you can help them. Which shows that you understand them, and it creates a personalized experience between your brand and your customers. And don't worry using their problems and pain points. It's not mean. Remember, you are going to cure it for them. The same applies using a desire within your headline. But remember, you cannot create desire or pain point. You can only tap into and direct it towards your products or services. So your job is to really locate the pain points and desires that already exist and then redirect it towards your products and services.